With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, a mass of 1 kg is suspended by a string A, another string C is connected to its lower end. If a sudden jerk is given to C, then first option is the portion AB of the string will break. Option B is the portion BC of the string will break. Option C, none of the string will break. And option D is mass will start rotating. Okay, then this is the figure of this question, and this is a string A, and 1 kg mass is attached to B, and this is a B. Okay, and another string C is connected to its lower end. Okay, lower end, and due to the C is connected in it, okay, then tension develop, and due to this tension, okay, then at initial condition, at initial condition okay, this is a string A, and the block of the mass 1 kg is attached to it. Okay, then tension in the string is T, then mg is acting, that means 1 into g, that means T is equal to g. This is the first condition, and at initial condition this is at a equilibrium. Okay, and after that when the string C is connected to it, then this is a block M, and string C is connected to it. Okay, then due to this C, 1 kg, that means 1 kg, and tension T, and due to this C, another tension T1 is acting in it. Okay, and tension due to C is T1, and due to the attachment of the string C, okay, initially this is at equilibrium, and when we introduce the string C, then definitely this part will break. Okay, that means we can say the mass will start rotating, wrong option. None of the string will break, wrong option. The portion of the BC of the string will break, wrong option. That means option A is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.